Hi everyone, and welcome to Flatlanders RV Travels. Today we're going to show you Oak Park Campground in Garfield, Minnesota. We are on our way out to North Dakota and South Dakota. We are officially a year behind in our videos. I have to apologize on that. It's been quite a busy year this last year. Our last video, you noticed that we had just purchased a new rig. We purchased an Alliance Avenue. So for these videos coming out, you're going to notice that we still had our travel trailer in a lot of these videos. So I'm going to try and sprinkle in some newer videos, but I'm also want to continue on working on our trip from North Dakota and South Dakota. So there's going to be a little bit of everything kind of mixed in here in the next few months. We have also had quite a few new subscribers to our channel, and we would just like to welcome you and thank you for subscribing. We appreciate your support. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. Hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment below if you've ever stayed at this Oak Park Campground. So we're going to be coming up to the entrance here. This Oak Park Campground is conveniently located 3 miles off of I-94 between Minneapolis and Fargo, North Dakota. It's an ideal location for a peaceful overnight stop on your way out west. Oak Park Campground sits on 43 acres, including 3 ponds, mature shade trees, and is surrounded by pristine lakes in the heart of the central Minnesota's lakes area. They offer wide, long pull-through sites with 30 and 50 amp service. They also have campground amenities, which includes restrooms and showers, laundry, playground, pool, camp store, and paddle boats. Unfortunately, I was not able to get footage of the restrooms or the laundry facilities. The restrooms, you needed a code, and we did not have the code to get in there to show you if they were clean or not. But I would assume that they would be pretty clean because this campground looks to be very well maintained. And she is escorting us to our campsite, and we were on campsite L. According to the map, some of these sites along right here, these 3 sites or 2 sites, are seasonal. And then this rigs in the back there are, I guess, camp hosts. At least that's what it says on the map. Well, it says camp hosts, but they're probably more seasonal. So this is site 1 on the right. And then where the reflection is, that's site 2. This is a nice site to find out what the site number is. That's site 1. These are full hookups. Site 4. And then site 5. I wonder if these are 50 amp and where we're at is 30 amp. Or if they're all 30 amp. Site 2. Site 3 on the corner. That's a nice site. And then this is site 6 and 7. I'm not sure what that site is back there. How do you even get to it?
Maybe they have some tent sites back there.
It's got electric and water and a gravel pad. Not sure.
No.
And then we're over here. This is letter A. And then I'm going to assume the next one is B. So this one comes in this way, and this next campsite you come in from the middle road. I was going to say, I think this is C. I'll have to verify. Nothing on this side. It's just open. It's kind of nice. Small campground. I think they're going seasonal. And these, I believe, are seasonal sites.
Take that way.
Down here. It's a nice spot.
Yeah.
It's the letter S on the corner, and then R. This must have been a seasonal site or something here. This looks like two sites. There's two. I wonder if this is P.
How you doing?
We are on site L here. So this last site, you would have to go all the way around and come in and pull through this way. And here's your sewer hookup. It's a nice site. Nice corner site. Seasonals back there on the pond. So this is site T and U. Again, you would pull in and go in that way and then go out and around. And there's your fireplace, fire pit for site T.
We're site L and then M. And this is C. And then you have R and S. S. There's a little hiking trail.
I just wanted to add in here that this campground is a very nice campground. It's a very well maintained park and it's nicely landscaped, and it's a great overnight stop if you're traveling east or westbound on I-94. It's not too far off the interstate, and we will definitely keep this campground in mind and probably will stay here again at some point.
I'll have to look at the map. And see. These sites are going up a hill. So these are big sites.
How big they are?
52, 53, and then they get smaller. And this one's 54. Maybe these are buddy sites because there's only one fire pit. And 54 doesn't have a fire pit. This is 61. Where the retro is, nope, this is 60. Little retro is 61. And then 62. This is 57. And that's 56. These are not very good sites. You got quite a hump. This is not good. And then this is 63. This is quite a hill. And then this is 63. And back in this way. Just gonna keep making our way around the loop. Guess that's a trail. It's the nature trail. Another angle. It's kind of hard to tell. That's quite a bit of a hill. Road right here is kind of washed out a little bit. Well, it's 57 and 56 up there, along with Pete. Street light right here. I think that's site 56. Where the street light is. Whether it works, I don't know.
I just want to begin and get situated. I don't want to be bad.
But your camp, if you back in, your camp is up on that hill.
Yep.
Road is kind of washed out.
We're just going to end the video here, showing you a little bit of the backside of our campsite, and this is in the evening now, and there's some more travelers that pulled in for pretty much a one-night stay, so you can get a better idea of what it looks like with some campers in on the sites. But that about does it for the Oak Park Campground. I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so and ring that bell for notifications. And as always, everyone, thanks for watching and happy camping.